with Candy and Miss Krissy. Hey kid, hey Candy. Hi Miss Krissy. Hi Miss Krissy. What are you two up to? Well, we were just talking about the fact that school's about to start. You're right, it is about to start. Did you two have a nice summer? We sure did. Are you looking forward to school? Yeah, we're super excited. What are some of the classes that you're taking? Well, we have 5 classes and a lunch. Oh, that sounds like fun. You want to know what classes we have? Sure, I'd love to know what classes you're taking. There's the bell. I wonder what class is first. Our first class is reading and writing, where we'll be learning the ABCs. It looks like you have a special toy to help with that, Candy. Yes, and I can actually read the box. It says, Tic Tac Toy. Candy's right. This is a Tic Tac toy. Do you guys watch Tic Tac Toy's YouTube channel? If you do, give us a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to us so that you can watch us open some more of these when we get a hold of them. These are brand new and they're only available at Walmart. XOXO Friends, a whimsical land of flying friends where everyone soars with magical wings. And look at the cute little animals on here. It says what's inside: 1 friend, 1 wing, and 1 bracelet. Collect them all. And here they are, Addie and Maya. They're so cute. We love watching their channel. Let's see which XOXO friend we got.
Here's our checklist. Let's take a look at it real quick. Here are all of our Tic Tac toy friends to collect. There are 24 friends. Aw, Maya and Addie are at the top of the list. And look at all the cute little animals. Ooh, look at the rare star unicorn. She's cute. And the little kitty. And look at the bunny hops. That's adorable. And there's Addie and Maya again. And at the bottom, it says 36 swappable wings. These are the rare ones right here. There's quite a few rare ones. And then the rest of them are regular ones. And on the back, we see that there are 12 accessories, 12 putty cutters, 2 bracelets, plus more colors, and 6 putty colors. Very cool.
Let's see what we got in here. 1, 2, 3 different blind bags. Let's open the smaller ones first. All right, who's in here? Ooh, here's the wing. Very pretty yellow color. Beautiful wings. Wonder what critter they're gonna go on. Second blind bag. It feels like the bracelet's in here, so I have to be really careful when cutting it open. Here we go. Ooh, it's a pink one. Very pretty, and it's got glitter on it and a heart with wings. Gold glitter, and it stretches. It's a stretchy band. That's all for this blind bag. Here's our critter. Let's see who we have. And inside we have, oh, it's a cute little pig. Look how adorable he is. He's got a pink little nose, and he's all yellow, and there is where the wings go in the back. Let's try them on. Here he is. Oh, he's adorable. I guess piggies really do fly. We got little Pearly the pig. And I'm going to put the bracelet on. It does fit on an adult wrist, so it'll definitely fit on yours. Well, that takes care of the first class. What about the second class? Second class, we have chemistry. You do? Yeah, we get to learn how to make all sorts of cool stuff. Sounds like the second class is about to start. It looks like today we're going to get to learn how to make putty. Liquid glass putty. Very cool. That's a great thing to learn how to make. Let's see. We have the Zuru Oosh putty. It's liquid glass.
It says on here you can tear them, stamp them, twist them, and stretch them. And it looks like there's different types of putty. We have the liquid glass one today. So let's open it and take a look and see what it's like.
It looks like a giant gold egg. Woo! Oh, wow. Look at this, guys. It has beautiful gold stars and lots of glitter in it. Wow, that's just through the bag. I can't wait to play with this and see what it feels like. Okay, so it doesn't really stretch well. It's more like a Play-Doh-y type of putty. Oh, it's weird feeling. It feels like silky smooth, but it's really hard to pull apart. And the more I play with it, the more cloudy it gets. It was glass-like when I first took it out, but now it's very cloudy. You can still see the stars and the glitter, but it's a little more difficult to see because you can't really see through it anymore. And when you're all done, you can put it back in the egg container to keep it safe. Sounds like the third class is about to start. What do we have for our third class, guys? This year I wanted to take some arts and crafts, and today we're supposed to be learning how to make jewelry. That sounds like a lot of fun. Ooh, I wonder what this could be. It's very big for the classroom here. I'm gonna have to pull it out. Ugh, there we go. Oh, this is little Chuckies. Pearl Party. You get to make bracelets with it. Very cool. Who's seen these before? If you have, give us a big thumbs up, especially if you like opening them and making jewelry.
It says you shuck it, find it, and beat it. 24 pearls to collect in all, 3 ultra rare, 9 rare, and 12 common. And there's also glitzy inside. And it shows all the different ultra rare ones and the rare ones and the common ones. We're gonna have to open our pearl to figure out which pearl we got. Here's our clam. And the beads are below that, and then the shucker. It helps us open the clam.
Here are our beads, and here is our shucking tool. Let's see if we can open our clam. Let's get the tool in here and, oh, there we go. Ooh, here's our bracelet. Looks like we got purple string, my favorite color. Here's our clam pearl. And here's our putty. It looks like ours is pink with silver glitter in there. This one's more stretchy. Look at all that glitter in there. Oh, that's gorgeous. This one has a nice feel to it. A lot of fun to play with and very squishy. Let's find out what's in our little pearl. Use the shucking tool again. Oh, there we go. Ooh, we have 2 pearls. One is a beautiful iridescent pink and the other one is a beautiful dark green. It's like an emerald green. I have to get them out of the package to show you them better. There you go. It's a dark pearly pink and a dark emerald green. And it looks like the 2 that we got are called Icy Mint and Bubblegum. They're both commons. All we have to do now is make our bracelet. All finished, and it stretches so you can fit it on your wrist. Doesn't it look pretty? Well, art class was a lot of fun, but now I'm getting hungry. Thank goodness it's time for lunch. Ooh, lunchtime. There's the bell. Ooh, looks like we have a lot of stuff for lunch. First up, we have a bunch of grapes. Squishy grapes. Ooh, look at them squish. We have lots of purple beads in here. Feels really slimy and cool. Next up, it looks like we have a little lucky lunchbox. That's perfect for lunch.
This is one set of 4 mystery surprises, and we get to see who's inside. Lunchtime, fun time, little lucky lunchbox. Collect and share 50 lunchtime surprises. We've never opened one of these before, but I bet you there's some super cute things in here.
There's a picture on the front and the back, and it's a little lunchbox that you can carry with you. Let's see what's inside here. We have 1, 2 blind bags, and underneath the paper, we have our collector's guide.
It says Series 1, and inside the guide it shows you the different lunchboxes you can collect. And on the back, it shows you all of your foodie friends. On the bottom, it says Foodie Friends stickers. So far, our lunchbox was the hamburger tin. Let's see what friends we got.
Ooh, yummy sandwich. What kind? I don't know if I can eat a sandwich that's winking at me. It looks like we have some kind of meat sandwich, and it looks like a little kitty face winking. There's a surprise in here. What did we get inside? Oh, it's a little avocado. That is absolutely adorable. Look at that face. Our foodie friends are club sandwich and the little avocado. Let's see what's in the other blind bag. Oh, here's our juice box. It has an avocado and a carrot on it. What a face! I love the little heart cheeks. This is super, super cute. We'll have to open more of these in the future. And our little juice box was veggie juice. Well, now that we're all full, how many classes do we have left, kid? We have 2 classes left, and the next class is my favorite. It's the construction class. I can't wait to see what we make today. It looks like we have some Legos. Yep, we do. Minifigures. Disney version. Ooh, this'll be fun to put together.
Let's see what pieces we have, and we'll try to figure out how to put them together. Ooh, lots of pieces. I wonder what this could make.
Are there any clues? Look at that head. Who do you think it is? If you know, let me know in the comments below. And I'm going to work my magic and put this together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Here he is. How many of you guessed Hades, the villain from Hercules? If you guessed him, you were correct. And this is what he looks like all put together. Last class, and I'm so excited. This is my favorite class. What is it, Candy? It's gardening. They get to teach us all about how to make our own garden. That sounds like a lot of fun. Oh my goodness! Is this a BLUME doll? Well, that's one way to garden. Let's see if I can get this out of here. Oh my goodness. Barely fit through the door.
Here's a BLUME Series 1. You can collect all 22 dolls. And if you remember right, we opened one of these in a previous video. I can't wait to see who we get this time.
It looks like our flower pot this time is blue. Last time, if you remember correctly, I think it was pink. Let's pull off the top. Here's our watering can and our checklist. First thing we do is peel this part back and we find our stickers. Here they are. And then we have to fill our watering can with some water. There we go, watering can all full. And now all we have to do is sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. And watch our BLUME grow. There she is. Looks like she's purple on one side and pink on the other. Whoop! All right, BLUME doll, let's see you. Ooh, she's pretty. Her hair is very pretty, and it looks like a geode like the last one we got, except it's a little bit different this time. She has lots of purple and pink in her hair, and she has purple eyes and purple eyeshadow. Time to open our flower pot and see all of her accessories.
Here we go. This is her outfit. Ooh. We have a shirt, a pair of black shorts, and, if I can get them out, we have a pair of black boots.
Let's see what's in her mirror. It's a little pink purse. And who's her little buddy friend? It's a little pink geode heart. How cute! Here she is, all dressed up with her purse on her arm. Look at that hair. And what the best part about the hair is very squishy. And also, if you want to change the hair on the different dolls, you just pull it off, put it on a different doll. Or you can leave it off and just have her with a little bun on her head. And from our checklist, it looks like this time we got Celine. Well, that wraps up our school day. Which was your favorite class? Let us know in the comments below. I think my favorite class was the first class. I love these XOXO friends. They're so adorable, and this pig, it just steals my heart with those eyes. Thanks for joining us for our day of school. Are you looking forward to going back to school? If you are, make sure you give us a big thumbs up and keep an eye out for more school videos. If you'd like to see more videos, remember to hit the subscribe button. And also, click on the bell so that you know when more are released. And if you want to watch another video now, just make sure you click on one of the pictures. We'll see you next time, everybody. Bye! If you'd like to see another video, just click on one of the pictures below.